Meaning of frenetically.
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 Frenetically. Frenetically is an adverb that refers to doing something in a hurried or frantic manner, typically involving a lot of energy or movement. Imagine someone who is rushing around, barely stopping to take a breath as they try to accomplish a lot of tasks in a short amount of time. The result of such frenzied activity may include exhaustion, mistakes or oversights due to haste, and a sense of chaos or disorganization. Alternatively, the outcome might be impressive, successful completion of multiple projects, with a sense of satisfaction at having accomplished so much in such a short time frame.